So I just did another video, and since I had mentioned this whole continuum between awareness and form, I had done another drawing actually, and I just have to put a video up just for completion to round out that awareness, magnetism and form video. This one's called Ether Space, Fundamental Magnetic Substance. And this is kind of the basic concept that, space is this big, sphere of ether, basically, however you define it, kind of like a magnetic substance. And of course, within it, you have all these magnetic spin patterns and magnetic spin structures. But continuing with, the same principle as the other video, just to kind of flesh out all the specific things I mentioned, you have awareness. Then you have this principle of ether space, which kind of grows out of or emanates within or out of awareness. I'm not sure how that works exactly. I'm still not sure. I think it's just a fundamental magnetic kind of substance. What that means, I don't really know. Then you have magnetic spin patterns, which I'm at least starting to get a sense of how that works. Then out of the magnetic spin patterns, you have, I don't know if you can see that, but you have electricity and light shooting out. Now, as I said, this is a two-way process between form and then the magnetic spin patterns, but it's a one-way process between awareness, ether, and the magnetic spins. Now, so you have a two-way process and then a one-way process, and a cat attack. But anyway, so you have electricity and light. So okay, going through it again. You have awareness, ether space, magnetic spin patterns. Then you have, coming out of the magnetic spin patterns, electricity and light. Okay, right there. I don't know if you can see that. Some of this stuff might be illegible. Then you have this other kind of sphere of plasma, gas, liquid, and solid. And at the end of the line, you have form. Form being composed of the principles that I've mentioned in another video called sphere, the principles of sphere, vortex, and matrix. Spheres, vortices, and matrices. Now, this is kind of the whole, the other video had an abbreviated kind of thing. This is kind of like the whole progression, essentially. So, I don't know if that answers any more questions or just raises more questions, but, I just had to, for the sake of completion, throw it in there. So, thanks.